Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is subject verb agreement and idioms. Alright. Now look at sentence. It says some analysts contend that true capitalism exists only when the ownership of both property and the means of production is regarded as an inalienable right of individuals, and it is not a license granted by government and revocable at whim. So first of all, subject verb agreement error. It is, right? What is subject for? Is. It is ownership. Why ownership? As per rule number 1. Whenever there is phrase, subject will be before first preposition. And what is that preposition? Of. What comes before of? This is ownership. Alright. So ownership is regarded as an inalienable right of individuals. So option B out. Why? Because ownership are. Option D out. Again, that ownership are. So left with option A, option C and option E. What's the problem in option A? First of all, individuals, and after that it is missing. There should be one noun. So it is not clear that what it is talking about. It says ownership is regarded as an alienable right of individuals and it is not a license. So here it means what? Ownership. So ownership is not a license, right? Though the sense is right, regarded inalienable right, and that right is not a license granted by government, revocable at whim. So there are two problems. One, that after this apostrophe the noun is missing and it is difficult to get what noun it is talking about. Second, the usage of it is incorrect because here it means ownership and ownership is not a license, that is the information. So option A out. Option C is regarded as an individual's inalienable right. It's fine. Not as a license means it is regarded as right, not as license. Fine. So as X as Y, that is okay. Now option E. Option E says is regarded as the inalienable right of an individual, not when it is. Look here, when cannot be used in the middle of sentence, especially after not, because we have already when in the middle of this sentence, and that is now option E. It says regarded as the inalienable rights of an individual, not when it is. Look here, as I said that regarded X, not as Y. So regarded rights, not a license. So again, ownership here it becomes ownership is a license, but the sentence is ownership is regarded as the inalienable rights, not as a license. So the meaning is incorrect because of pronoun and because of uses of conjunction. So option E out, C remains best option.